Welcome to this steam turbine internal alignment overview video. There are three basic kinds of steam turbine internal alignment: tops off, tops on, tops off, and express. Tops off entails setting up a laser and shooting it through the turbine to measure all internal points. This can include diaphragms, blade rings, and packing sections. With a tops-off measurement, we can account for some out-of-roundness and some horizontal joint deflection. We can also account for any kind of rotor sag. This is good for very small turbines, shorter turbines, and is much better than not performing any alignment. The next kind of alignment we perform is a tops-on, tops-off alignment. This is when we physically measure the turbine with the top on it. We also take a set of readings with the top removed from the turbine. We calculate the deviation from the tops-on readings to the tops-off readings, so we know what the change is between the two. We do all of our moves with the top off of the turbine. While we're doing this, we are able to easily make all our adjustments since the top is off. With the top off, we can always calculate for the top being back on with the initial top on to top off deviation. This is the most accurate alignment process for a steam turbine. It is essential if you absolutely need to know the exact deviation or have very tight clearances. It is also essential if you have a newer style turbine where the shell may warp some as the top is bolted on. It's also very important if we have tight clearances for all the internal components. The final type is an express alignment, which is also known as a theoretical tops-on alignment. This is because we only take tops-off readings for the turbine. We measure the out-of-roundness and the horizontal joint deviation. We take actual raw measurements on all of the diaphragms, packing, and seal strips. We calculate where the turbine was running with the top on without actually putting the top on. This approach is very good if we don't have the time to perform a tops-on, tops-off reading. This offers the same benefits of a tops-on without having to spend the time actually putting the top on. Thank you for watching this steam turbine internal alignment video.